Clickly and how you can get access to an already built list of thousands of people, and how you can make money for free with this free new system. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So here we are at the back office at Clickly. I just joined today, and as you can see, I have folders that are open my email, and here are the credits I have left to mail with. You, as a free member, you get 5,000 subscribers every day. The menu is videos and so on. So step one is to start sending out your emails, and as a pro, email 75,000 people a day, and then you should email quick list building. You send emails out to plenty of people, and here you have a step with a quick overview and in-depth training, and here you can check your commissions, and here you can see, and here you can click if you want to buy more email credits. Now I thought I should show you how much I've earned. I just joined. Here's my total earnings. I know that this isn't much money, $1.10, but I recently, as I said, as more time go, more people will open the emails, and when they click on links, I earn money even if they don't buy anything. Naturally, you will earn more money when they purchase something from you. But if you want to get started making money with this free system, then click the link below and let's get started. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.